Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I just wanted to say hi and give you some inspiration today, and to say thank you for all those who are liking, sharing, commenting. On our last video, if you see anyone who commented and has top fund on them, give them a heart and a like. That means they are one of our top commenters. Anyway, today I wanted us to think about listening to our heart. And when I think about listening to our heart, hi, thanks for joining. Say hi in the comments. When I think about listening to our heart, in my mind I see two hearts. There is the one physical heart, and then we have the heart in our gut. You know that gut feeling when you need to make a decision or someone tells you something. It counts for a lot, you know. So when you're making a decision or you have to do something, go somewhere, try to consider both the heart in your chest and the heart in your gut. It will make life really easy in terms of making decisions, in terms of creating a better life, in terms of figuring out which direction to take. If you find yourself on a crossroad and you don't know where to go, listen to your heart, the heart in the chest and the heart in your gut. Hi Jingo, welcome everybody. Leave a comment. So today I guess the only encouragement is listen to your heart. I know there is something you know you have to do. I know there are decisions you have to make. So when you're making these decisions, follow your heart. You'll be amazed. Life will get simpler. The struggle will get less. You'll have to get bolder, because not all the directions your heart tells you to take are popular. They may be unconventional in the setting you are, but they'll be the right one for you, you know. And if you take them, even if it's against popular demand, you'll always find yourself in the best place for you, you know. And that's another thing we have to remember, that your life's path and where you're ending up and the kind of better life you want may be taking a different path from your neighbor, from your friends. You may have to take a different direction. That doesn't make it wrong, it just makes it different. But everybody will benefit when you are living a better life, you know. As always, this is Mother Eagle. I hope that helps. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love you guys.